Friday night lights are finally here, and this one is extra special. The Wright City Wildcats is set to open their brand new stadium, American's Heartland Stadium. And what better way to kick it off than right here in the county rival against the Warrenton Warriors. This isn't just a game, it's the first game of the season. The first snap in a brand new stadium and a matchup that brings this whole community together. Wright City is fired up to christen in this new field with a win, while Warrenton is determined to come in and spoil the celebration. The energy is building, the sound of the bands, the roar of the crowds, and the pride of two schools just miles apart. It's more than about football. It's about tradition, community, and history being made right here in Wright City. So grab your family, bring your friends, and let's fill these stands. Be part of something unforgettable. Come out and watch the Wildcats and the Warriors battle it out under the lights at American's Heartland Packing Field. This is the start of a brand new season, a brand new stadium, and a night you won't want to miss.